The Bose SoundLink Max combines big speaker energy, portability, and lasting power so you can turn up the vibe all day and night. In this video, we'll help you set up your speaker. First, here's everything you should find inside the box. Your Bose SoundLink Max portable speaker, a USB-C cable, and important documentation. Additionally, in some regions, a USB Type-C power supply is included. Okay, now let's set up your speaker. Out of the box, your speaker will be in a sleep state. You'll need to connect the speaker to power in order to wake it up. Connect one end of the USB-C cable into the USB-C port on the back of the speaker. Connect the other end into a USB-C power supply and then plug it into a power outlet. Press the power button to turn your speaker on for the first time. By default, the speaker will be in pairing mode and the Bluetooth light will slowly blink blue. If your speaker isn't in this state, press and hold the Bluetooth button until you hear
"Ready to connect."
You can store up to 6 devices in the speaker device list, and the speaker can be actively connected to 2 devices at a time. You can connect the speaker using your device's Bluetooth settings or with fast pair on supported Android devices. However, to fully enjoy all the features of your speaker, adjust settings, and receive future software updates, you'll need to download the Bose app. To quickly find the app, just scan this QR code inside the box. Once it's finished downloading, open the app and then tap Connect a Product or log in with a My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap Set Up New Product and then select Headphones, Earbuds, Portable Speakers, and Frames. A scan will begin searching for your speaker. Once it appears, tap Connect and then tap Pair. Follow the remaining app instructions to finish setting up your speaker. While charging the speaker, the power light will slowly blink white. Please allow up to 5 hours to fully charge the battery when using the recommended 15-watt power supply. If your speaker is powered on and you're not using a proper power supply, a voice prompt will alert you.
The battery is charging too slowly. Use a different cable.
The power light glows solid white when fully charged. The battery lasts up to 20 hours under normal use. At maximum volume, it will provide up to 3 hours of playtime. Also, your speaker serves as a battery power bank, meaning with the same USB-C port and cable, you can charge up your mobile device. Finally, let's take a look at the controls located on the top of the speaker. In addition to the power and Bluetooth button, you'll see a shortcut button, volume down and up button, and a play-pause button. You can also double press the play-pause button to skip to the next track, or triple press it to skip to the previous track. By default, the shortcut button is set to auxiliary switching, allowing you to switch between a paired Bluetooth device or a wired connection from a different source. You can change your shortcut within the Bose app. Tap the shortcut button on the home screen to explore your options. Your Bose SoundLink Max portable speaker is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.